Okay, question number 2. Let's have Mr. Yahya join me on question number 2, please. So Yahya, what we finding out here in this question?
Find the figure in each row that is missing the others. So you got to find the odd one out.
So we're looking for the odd one. The odd one out. Question number 2. Let's make it a bit bigger. Okay, so question number 2. What's happening?
All of the arrows are pointing to a corner except for D.
Okay, at the moment, say an arrow, you mean the shape, the triangular shape. Yes, let's have a look at the shapes first of all. So we have a three-sided shape 3 and a 6 and a 4 for question number 2. Here we have a 5-sided shape, a 4 and a 3. 3, a 4, a 5. This one we're going to have a 3-sided shape, a 4 and a 5. 3, 4, 5 so far. Yes, good pattern. 3, 4, 5, 3. Okay, and what else? We have a 5 and a 6. 3, 5 and a 6. Next one we're going to have a 4, 5, 6. 4 and a 5 and a 6. So we're looking for what's common to all of the shapes. So some of them have got a 3, some haven't. Some have got a 4, some haven't. But what do they all have?
5.
A 5. So let's have a look at this shape here. So we got a 4, we got a 3, and we got a 6. Do we have a 5 in the first one?
No.
So which is the odd one out? A. So A is the only one that doesn't have a pentagon in it. Every single other question has a pentagon, 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 and a pentagon in it. And A has no pentagon in it. Okay, lovely. Right, let's have a look at, yes.
You could also say all of them except E had a triangle in them.
3, 3. Yes, that's true. But for some reason, that's the rule that's given in the answers. So you've got a valid point there. But the rule that they picked up here is that all the figures have a pentagon. Okay, thank you for that, Aisha. I didn't realize that was also another like equivalent rule going on in there. Yeah.
I did get a.
Okay, question number 3. Let's have so the back seats in there.
Green got you wrong, so he got 16.
Okay. Question number 3. Talha, can you please help us with this one, please? What's common with all of them? What thing is the same throughout all of them?
They all have a square.
They all are what type of scale though? They all have
A gray square.
a gray square. Which one doesn't have a gray square in it?
E.
E. Aisha, we just received a lovely box full of goodies. Do you know anything about that, Aisha?
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy stuff. Salih's having a look at it. It looks delicious stuff in there. Thank you. Tell your mom thank you very much. I didn't get a chance to receive it because I was in the lesson. Okay. Done. Question E is the odd one out because there's no gray square in it. Question number 4. For question number 4, let's have who should we have for question number 4? Yahya, please join me on question number 4.
Stars, 2 stars. C has 2 stars. 2 has, I think it's
If you look at the questions straight away, you find they got 2 stars, 2, 2, 2. Which one hasn't got 2 stars? Question B, and that's the answer. So this is the odd one out here. Without even having a look at any of the other rules. That's for the back seats. It's designed over the. He's even got all the gaps, all the seat belts and stuff to come out. Yeah. Question number 5. Right, let's have question number 5. Ibrahim, please. Join me, please. Number 5. Question number 5, Ibrahim.
That means I have to test it out.
Yes.
Work out which of the options best fits. So what are they looking for here? So if the best fits, you're not looking for the odd one out. You're looking for something that
suits it best.
that suits, that matches the pattern, that matches them. Okay, so what's happening then in question number 5? What is the arrow pointing at for number 5?
It points at a circle. And the pattern is that it goes up and down. And
Up
down.
and down. Okay. Okay, so we want an arrow going downwards. So A is possible, B is possible, C is definitely wrong, and D is definitely wrong. Okay, lovely. What's happening next? What's happening to the colors? So the dark one is gone down that way, and this checkered one's gone here, and the white one has gone up to there. So which direction are we rotating in?
Anti-clockwise.
And how many degrees each time?
45. 90.
Okay, it wouldn't be 45 because we're going from here to here, from here to here. We're doing a full 90 each time. So we need to rotate again. So the white one's at the top. It was here. It has to move 90 degrees. So where will it be? You got to have a white one here. So that looks good. That looks definitely not good. That's in the wrong place. So the white one will be there. The gray one will be here because that will move around. The black one will move around to here. Everything is in the right place. A is definitely the answer. Okay. Do you get that pattern now, Ibrahim?
Yes.
Okay. Do number 6 as well while you're here. Close the doors, please.
The answer is C.
For question number 6, the answer is C. Okay. So what's happening in the question?
It goes that there's a triangle or a pyramid, and then every time it faces right, then left, and then right, and then left.
Okay, so the triangle's facing towards the right, then it's facing left, then it's facing right, then it's facing left. Okay, lovely. So we want a triangle that's facing towards the left. So for question number 6, D is definitely not the answer. What's happening to the rest of the shape?
They go to the other end that they're on.
Okay, now at the moment the shapes aren't changing the size. It's just what's happening to the shading. Is the shading changing?
No.
Are you sure the shading is not changing? Because the rectangle on the bottom's on the bottom. The wide one in the middle is still in the same place. So it's going to be identical shapes. So if I was to draw it now, we will still have a thin one at the top, a wide one on the like a wider one on the middle, and then we have like the thinner one on the bottom. So the shapes themselves don't change. Okay, and we can see that now. We want the shapes to be on the left-hand side. So for question number 6, this is on the right-hand side. So that's no good. And that one's no good. Right now, why is so we got choice between B and C. What's happening with the shading? So the black one starts at the top. Where does it go to next?
It goes to the middle.
Absolutely, it goes to the middle. So the black one goes there. Then it goes where? On the bottom and then back on the top. So everything's moving down by one. If the black one moves down, what comes to the top of it? We should have which one there?
The pattern one that has patterns on it.
Yeah, the checkered one, that's right. So which is like this. Which is here, which is there. So checkered one on the top, black one over there, and then the gray one on the bottom. So that one's wrong because that's the wrong color. So it has to be C. Well done. Well spotted. Okay, let's move to question number 8. We're still looking for the same pattern.
I can have a drink.
Yeah, go on. Question number 8. Okay, for question number 8, we got question number 8 wrong. Hasib, join me number 8, please.
Number 8.
What's happening number 8 quickly? So we're going this way, then we're going this way, then we're going this way. Where's the next way the triangle will be facing?
Up.
Up. So that one is wrong, that one is wrong straight away. Okay, triangle up. So we got here a small gray square, a big gray square, a bigger gray square, and we're going to have the biggest gray square, yes?
Yeah.
Which is A. The squares are getting bigger. You can't have B. B is the same size as this square. It can't be the same. It's going to be bigger. So B is no good. A is the answer. Okay, Aisha, question number 11. Question number 11 is A. Hopefully you can see it. Nice and straightforward. That's the answer. Okay, we're doing reflection question now. And I think we come to the end of that paper. For reflection question number 7. Okay, you said 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. We've done 2, 3.
We were on 11.
Okay. Okay, Yahya said he needs to do number 7 as well. Okay, and number 9, okay, 7 and 9 for Yahya. Okay. Aisha, can you help us with number 7, please? What's happening in number 7? Help us to explain to Yahya what's happening in number 7.
7. The number 7, I got D because first you would have
It looks like a drop. It looks like a teardrop. Teardrop. 1 teardrop, 2, 3, and 4. So how many teardrops?
1 teardrop, 2 teardrops, 3 teardrops, and then 4 teardrops. So you would need 3 teardrops. So it can't be A.
So what about the number of sides?
Shape,
3 sides, 4
the shape would
sides.
have 3 sides, then 4 sides, then 5, and then 6. So it can't be B or C. It has to be D.
Fantastic. A 5-sided outside shape and 3 teardrops. Done. Excellent. Question number 9. For question number 9, carry on. I should explain what number 9 is.
Number 9, I got D.
D. All right. So let's make the pattern from there. Yeah, go on.
First you would have a whole square, I mean circle, and then it would get, there would be a white piece, a white chunk that would be taken out of it every time, and it would get graded by a quarter.
So what's happened to the triangle? The triangle starts at the
There
bottom
would be
and
a
then it goes
triangle
to the
that
top.
it goes black and white, and it would go
White,
sides.
black, white, black. White on the bottom, black on the top, white on the bottom, black on the top. Okay, lovely. So we're looking for a white triangle on the bottom. So that's wrong straight away. That triangle for B is in the wrong place. That one's at the top. It has to be white triangle on the bottom, number 1. It matches. And we're going from a quarter shaded to 2 quarter shaded to
3 quarter shaded.
And if you have a look at your shape here, oh, it's got lines in 3 quarter, they go done. Beautiful. Okay, let's get back to the question. I hope that helps you here. Question number 17. Let's have somebody else.
It was 11. We only did the answer, we didn't work it out.
Yeah, to work that one out is a little bit difficult to explain how you work out the different views of it. Number 11 is A, and I hope you can see why it's A. We have this little bit over here, that's the little bit over there, just turn around. We have that bit going behind it, which is this bit over here. We have the long bit, which is this bit over here. So I don't really know how to explain it more than that. Okay, I hope that little bit of explanation helps. Okay, next. Number 17. Number 17, let's have Hasib, please. Number 17.
I never said number 17.
I need you to help me to explain number 17. Go.
Okay.
So we got this.
Number 17.
Going-
I got D.
You can't be going in the same direction. It has to be going in the opposite direction to the original one. So
I got D because why it can't be A because A is below the line on the left side.
okay,
The dotted line is too low.
Give me a second. Give me a second. All right. So you're saying answer D. D is correct. Now, if you have a look, we have the shady at the bottom going that way as well. And you can't have it going in the same direction. It has to be going in the opposite direction shading. So A is wrong. B, okay. Now this has got the shading in the right direction. That's good. Possibly C and possibly D left over. What else?
In the reflection, the dotted line is above the line
Corner.
the corner.
Lovely, well spotted. They're fantastically spotted. So the dotted line here has like a distance height of here before it starts, whereas in this one here, it goes to the corner exactly. So we can't have that. It has to have that jump, that little bit of height before it crosses. So well done. Okay, so